Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. Are you advised to use grapeseed oil? Here are 5 facts about it and its properties. We all know the taste of grapes very well and undoubtedly tried several of its varieties at once. Perhaps someone liked his juice or wine more. But for sure, few people think about what benefits grape seeds can bring to our lives. It turns out that oil has long been made from them, which has proven itself excellently in the field of cooking, cosmetology and even therapeutic and prophylactic purposes. This type of oil is very rich in linoleic acid, which ensures the normal functioning of the body. First of all, it will help you maintain the elasticity and health of the skin, maintain the correct functioning of the heart, the immune system and lipid metabolism. In addition, it perfectly improves the activity of the endocrine, nervous system, accelerates the process of removing toxins from the body, and also relieves it of toxins and heavy metal salts. Also, the oil includes vitamins A, E and C. If you add such oil during cooking, it will serve as a good prevention of sepsis, peritonitis, appendicitis, diseases of the central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. A strong argument for the benefits of this oil is its positive effect on the process of weight loss. Linoleic acid stimulates the breakdown of fats and prevents their absorption. To do this, add just a few drops as a salad dressing. Its taste is very delicate, with pronounced spicy notes and a slightly perceptible bitter nutty aroma. A feature of grape oil is its resistance to heating. The smoke point is 216 degrees Celsius, which allows it to be used for cooking various dishes in deep fat or for frying vegetables, fish, meat in a pan. In cosmetology, grapeseed oil is also widely used. So, for example, if you have oily skin, you can try this oil, as it is quickly absorbed and does not leave greasy marks and a sticky feeling. You can also use this oil to grow and shine your eyelashes, eyebrows and hair by applying a couple of drops to these parts. If massage is your thing, try grapeseed oil. It improves the color of the skin, restores a healthy, beautiful appearance, promotes the rapid exfoliation of dead cells and has a slight whitening effect. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.